The top reel mowers of 2024. Lawn Perfection. Given the abundance of products in the market, selecting the ideal one may pose a challenge. Hence, we've curated a list of the 5 best products for your convenience. Kindly peruse the descriptions for additional details and the latest pricing. American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16GC. The American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16GC 16-inch 7-blade reel mower is your go-to choice for a beautifully manicured lawn. This specialty grass mower in a vibrant green finish brings precision and eco-friendly efficiency to your lawn care routine. Experience the power of the 7-blade reel, meticulously designed for a clean and precise cut. The 16-inch cutting width ensures thorough coverage, while the included grass catcher makes cleanup a breeze, leaving your lawn immaculate. Crafted by the American Lawn Mower Company, this reel mower is an eco-conscious alternative, eliminating the need for gas, oil, or electricity. The sturdy construction guarantees durability, making it an excellent investment for maintaining a lush and healthy lawn. Upgrade your lawn care routine with the American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16GC, where efficiency meets environmental responsibility. Embrace the simplicity of a manual reel mower for a greener, cleaner, and perfectly manicured lawn. Earthwise 1715-16EW. This time we have another reel mower with a 16-inch cutting width. The difference is, the Earthwise uses 7 blades. This should make it readily capable of mowing down dense patches of grass. The blade reel works well against bent grasses such as zoysia grass, centipede grass, and St. Augustine grass, even among others. However, Earthwise noted that its 7-blade design isn't the most efficient in mowing down wet and its upright grass types such as bluegrass, ryegrass, and crabgrass. You can change the cutting height from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inch. Also, a rugged steel side plate holds the tempered alloy steel reels together. Similar to the other product, assembling it is pretty fast. Pushing this reel mower could be troublesome for some, as it needs to be stopped when there's acorns or twigs. Thus, it's better to look at your lawn first for any debris before using the Earthwise. Also, the grass clippings aren't thrown far away, which makes collecting them a lot easier. Joe MJ503M. The Joe MJ503M 14-inch quad-wheel manual reel mower is the eco-friendly solution for a well-groomed lawn. This efficient and easy-to-use reel mower is designed for precision cutting without the need for gas, oil, or electricity. Featuring a 14-inch cutting width and a quad-wheel design, the MJ503M provides stability and maneuverability, ensuring a clean and even cut every time. With 9 position height adjustments, you have the flexibility to achieve the perfect grass height for your lawn. The Joe mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an ideal choice for small to medium-sized lawns. The durable steel blades ensure longevity and sharp cuts, while the compact design allows for convenient storage. Embrace the simplicity of a manual reel mower with the Joe MJ503M, where efficiency, environmental friendliness, and ease of use come together for a beautifully manicured lawn. Upgrade your lawn care routine with this reliable and eco-conscious reel mower. Amazon Basics. The Amazon Basics 18-inch 5-blade push reel lawnmower with grass catcher impressed us with its user-friendliness and precision. Assembling the mower was a breeze thanks to the clear instructions and easy-to-put-together design. The 18-inch cutting width and 5-blade system provide a precise and even cut, leaving our lawn looking neat and tidy. One of the standout features of this mower is its push reel design, which is environmentally friendly and does not require oil or gas. This makes it a great alternative to gas-powered motors and is also low maintenance and easy to use. The collection bag is another great feature, allowing us to easily collect grass clippings and prevent them from being strewn across our lawn. However, it's important to note that this lawnmower is not recommended for high-density grass, tall grass over 4 inches, or withered grass. Additionally, the grass catcher bag may not stay in place during use, which can be frustrating. It may also require some strength to push, so it may not be suitable for older individuals or those with physical limitations. Overall, we would recommend the Amazon Basics mower for those looking for an eco-friendly and low-maintenance lawnmower that's easy to use. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done and leaves your lawn looking nice and tidy. BLACK+DECKER BESTA 512CM. The BLACK+DECKER electric lawnmower, string trimmer, and edger is an all-encompassing 3-in-1 solution for maintaining a well-groomed lawn. It stands out as a corded powerhouse, carefully crafted for efficiency and user-friendly operation within a sleek package. Seamlessly transition between mowing, trimming, and edging with this innovative tool. Powered by a robust 6.5 amp motor, it provides consistent power for a variety of lawn tasks, covering ground efficiency with its 12-inch cut path. The user-friendly push-button start simplifies lawn maintenance. Customize your operation with the adjustable height deck and trimmer handle, ensuring both comfort and control. The compact design and cord retention system contribute to convenience, facilitating easy storage. Elevate your lawn care routine with the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 electric lawnmower, a fusion of versatility and performance, delivering a meticulously manicured lawn. This powerful tool consolidates all your lawn care needs, making yard work not only efficient, but also enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.